Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're unable to open up disk management in Windows 10. So if you're having issues running this utility, I'm going to go over a couple of ways about how to hopefully resolve the problem without too much of a hassle here. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it and start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time, type in services. Best match should come back with services right above desktop app. Go ahead and left click on that one time to open it up. You want to scroll down on this page now until you get to virtual disk, and you want to double click on it. You want to make sure startup type is set to manual, and if server status is stopped, you want to go ahead and left click on start. Left click on apply and OK, and then I would personally go and check and see if that's resolved the problem. If you are still experiencing an issue, another thing we can go ahead and try would be to open up the start menu. Type in PowerShell. Best match should come back with Windows PowerShell. Go ahead and right click on that and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and left click on Yes. Now I'm going to have a command in the description of my video. I want you to copy it directly from my description and then go up to the top bar of the Windows PowerShell window here, right click on it, left click on Edit, and then left click on Paste. Once it's pasted in here, should automatically get you up and running. I do not actually have TPM on this computer, but it should have been able to open it if it was compatible. So pretty straightforward tutorial here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. Restart your computer once you're done, and hopefully that should be about it. So thanks for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.